Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Android Studio and SDK are ready. Install material components and set SDK 31 or higher. Create or open your app module, then add res/values/themes, XML and a values-night counterpart. Once done, set the app theme to theme. Material components with a clear parent, link primary, secondary, and background color resources. This fast start gets you editing actual theme files immediately, so you can see visual changes instead of just talking about setup. You now build the theme internals. Define color resources and color state list for buttons and text to handle states. Create styles for typography and component appearances, and add custom attributes for reusable tweaks. Use shape drawables and layer list XML to craft buttons, cards, and ripple effects. Make sure to test previews in the layout editor and enable theme. Material components. Day-night to handle light and dark variants. This ensures consistency across configurations and avoids runtime surprises when the system theme changes. You finish by applying the theme in Android Manifest or per activity, then run the app on emulator and multiple devices to catch density and API differences. Once done, build an APK or AAB and inspect resource merging to ensure no missing attributes or conflicting styles. Make sure overlays and material components versions match across modules. Troubleshooting tip. If colors or shapes look wrong, check values-night files, parent style inheritance, and theme overlays. They are the usual culprits and fix most mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.